In the past 30 days, this YouTube channel has generated anywhere from $2,400 to $39,000 solely by narrating football stories. Leveraging the prowess of artificial intelligence, it has amassed millions of views and thousands of subscribers, witnessing an explosive growth from 0 to over 1 million subscribers. For example, this channel has collected over 800 million views in this period and earns between $2,400 to $39,000 per month. These videos captivate the audience profoundly, and I'll demonstrate how to craft them to amplify social media traction. Firstly, let's delve into the process. Step 1 entails scripting the video. Fear not, as will enlist AI assistance via ChatGPT. Simply direct your browser to ChatGPT. Input the prompt. I will give you 2 transcripts of football player stories. I want you to create random stories like this. Ensure a "did you know?" or a catchy phrase at the beginning. Limit it to 1 paragraph comprising 50 words. After formulating the prompt, proceed to search for FC Motivate on YouTube. Select a video of your interest, copy its link, and paste it into an online video transcriber to retrieve the text. Once obtained, return to ChatGPT, paste the transcribed text, and click Generate. That's all there is to it. Our next course of action involves utilizing 11 Labs to produce the voiceover based on our scripted text. Signing up is free. Navigate to 11 Labs and input the script generated by ChatGPT. You have the option to customize the voice character. For example, I'll opt for Adam as it suits the video. Additionally, adjust voice settings such as stability and similarity if desired. However, I'll stick with the default settings. Then, click the Generate Speech button and 11 Labs will automatically generate a lifelike voiceover.
Did you know? In his 10th season, Lionel Messi astoundingly secured his 9th consecutive Golden Shoe award, cementing his status as a goal-scoring phenomenon. With unmatched precision and finesse, Messi's ability to consistently find the net has rewritten the record books and continues to awe fans worldwide.
Ensure its quality meets your standards by listening to it. Afterward, proceed to the next step, sourcing images related to the video's topic. This step is straightforward. Simply head to Google and search for images relevant to your video's subject matter. For instance, if your video centers around Lionel Messi, search for Lionel Messi images on Google and download them. Once downloaded, review the voiceover and select images that align with your video's content. Ensure that the chosen images correlate with the video's topic. The subsequent step involves video editing. To commence video editing, launch any editing software. I'll proceed with CapCut, my go-to choice. Firstly, import all image files downloaded earlier, along with the voiceover. Drag and drop the voiceover into the timeline. Next, eliminate any pauses in the voiceover by zooming into the timeline and trimming out the silent portions. Then, import all online downloaded images and arrange them according to the voiceover. To ensure synchronization, adjust the video ratio to 9:16 for a standard YouTube short frame size. Resize the images to fit the screen properly, enhancing audience engagement. Additionally, incorporate transitions to the images to augment video appeal. Click on the transition icon at the top, select Overlay, and choose transitions that suit your preferences. Remember, there is no definitive way to select transitions. Next, integrate background music to prevent viewer boredom. Drag the desired music file into the timeline and lower its volume to avoid overshadowing the main voiceover. Subsequently, add captions to the video. Click on the text icon at the top. Select Auto Caption, choose your preferred language, and click on Create. CapCut will automatically generate captions for your video. First, go to the caption section under Templates and choose the one you prefer. Then click on it and go back to the basic section here. Increase the font size. I usually leave it at 15. Once you're done, you can export the video. Now let's see what we've created so far.
Did you know? In his 10th season, Lionel Messi astoundingly secured his 9th consecutive Golden Shoe award, cementing his status as a goal-scoring phenomenon. With unmatched precision and finesse, Messi's ability to consistently find the net has rewritten the record books and continues to awe fans worldwide.
And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. And see you in the next video.